Welcome to Cam's World! Hi everyone! I received a package from the brand UIN Footwear. I want to say thank you to Peter who sent the 2 items over. So let's start trying them on. First shoe is the Stiletto 2 light gray wool for women. It's cozy and warm and also breathable. It's light and springy with every step. It's perfect choice for autumn and winter. The insole shape resembles the nature shape of your foot with wider toolbox. It has plain design and simple shoe structure. Enjoy the comfort of walking. It has a Spanish non-slip outsole. A special collection of Spanish essences increase the fun of walking. It's soft and flexible, non-slip and durable, foot shape design and environment friendly. Next shoe is this Moger Dawn Blue. It is a pair of artistic loafers stand you out. A canvas upper and ergonomic shoe design fits perfectly to the foot shape, comfortable to wear. It has open lacing design. Stylish and unique with artistic and bold pattern stands you out in a crowd. It is super lightweight with simplified shoe construction with only 260 grams. It has insole with improved UN insole for all-day comfort. It has soft cushion and arch support system. It has Spanish non-slip outsole, which increases the fun of walking. Please do check their website. I'll leave the link in the description down below. They have a lot of different design suits for everyone's needs. So please do check them out. And until next time, bye!